Makati, located in Metro Manila, is the Philippines' largest commercial and financial business hub city. In particular, shopping malls, schools, theaters, and high-rise offices continue to be built here at Rockwell Center. The Balmori Suites is a premier development built in the heart of Rockwell Center. The 22-story building has well-designed spacious units, a well-equipped gym, swimming pool, and function room for residents to enjoy. From our several design experiences in our different projects, we have been convinced that WindFree 1Way Cassette is one of the best solutions for the Balmori Suite.
Wall-mounted air conditioners are most commonly used in the Philippines. Many of the recently built residential facilities also install wall-mounted products. But in this case, the residents were not satisfied because they could not maintain the clean walls intended by the architect or interior designer.
WindFree 1Way Cassette, on the other hand, is in perfect harmony with the home interior designs with its beautiful lines and colors. And its presence enhances the quality of the house. Residents can also install interior walls at locations where air conditioners are usually installed or hang beautiful artwork to show their own taste. Also, the height of the product is only 135 millimeters, so it can maintain a high floor height, making the space look wider. All of these are very important benefits for both developers and residents.
Powerful cooling that blows cold air stronger and farther through a 107mm large diameter fan. WindFree cooling that blows cold air through 10,000 micro holes. This is the 2-in-1 transformation technology that Samsung WindFree 1Way Cassette has. On summer days, when the sun is strong, the blade is opened wide to blow the cold air away up to 8 meters. Strongly blown cold air creates large convection and fills every corner of the house. When the space is sufficiently cooled, the blade closes, and cold but soft air is slowly emitted through 10,000 micro air holes.
There's no cold air pouring directly over our heads. So many problems caused by direct cold wind have been solved.
A wonderful design that harmonizes well with the home interior. Slimness to secure high floor height. Powerful cooling and Samsung's own WindFree technology.
WindFree 1Way Cassette is a great air conditioning solution for high-end residential spaces. We look forward to many more projects with Samsung. Thank you!